Hey yo, it's Freedom Friday, and I want to ask you a question. Are you on your freedom journey yet? And before you scroll, listen. Last night before I went to sleep for good, I took a nap and I woke up to a $300 sale. Today, I woke up to get my day started and I woke up to another $300 sale. That's $600 in like a 12-hour time frame. What could $600 a day do for you and your family? Could that allow you to start paying off some of them bills, to stop stressing about how you're going to do things when it comes to your finances? Could it allow you to start finally taking some trips? Or could it do for you like it's doing for me and allow you to live and travel full-time abroad? Whatever that may look like for you, just know that you don't have to be out here stressing, trying to figure out how you're going to do anything when it comes to money. All you have to do is plug into a proven system that's going to teach you how to start your automated online business that you only put 2 hours of work into every single day, and that's going to give you results like this. If you're somebody who's been looking at a way to make you some extra money, whether it's online or offline, drop me a one. I will absolutely love to give you information on this life-changing program. Waking up to money is a feeling that I can't even put it into words. I just want you to experience this as well. Drop me that one and I'm gonna get you hooked up. And remember, things will never ever change in your life if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.